you buy about 2 or 3 key problems. Number one, your communication. Number one, your road. And number one, your power. And Timmy President Amani. President convened.
None of these were solved.
They were all solved, except road do not near the contract and oversight.
It was a part of the more problem.
But it's not part of the project itself. It's a separate project. It's a separate project.
Okay.
Let's not make mistake. Where Minister of Roads project, which is different from the
project itself.
Exactly.
Yes,
yes. So the project itself, we completed 100%.
Commissioned it.
We commissioned it. And we commissioned the Infectious Disease Treatment and Containment Center. Together.
Na amoye abana motisuna Ministry of Roads also heard yesterday okay. I am shanye. Na said the moye nyina ye ntimi nko hode na mfa so bia.
Ntimi nko ho san.
Na kwambe no
mama example. Mama example.
Dia here.
Ye ko Konongo. Ye commission Konongo. Ye commission Konongo. Call the contractor near friend Jacot. Now onwie and your commission Konongo. So when was what me fa kwan no so onwie ye.
Eno Konongo den wo ye afei ye no de timi ye.
Say na contractor no was wo ye adwuma. Ti ye commission ye no wo mo running hospital while the contractor was still on the road. That way Kofi Job too, they could have sent workers, doctors and nurses. Na Kofi Job go so no ye no kwan. And by this am ko wie. So ma oto aso fi ho ba ya and give your first 6 months no kwan ko wie. Because no aye drain ni nyina drains ni nyina everything. Aye failing.
And no na
na say your course no. What have you egu?
Ti say
what course we design and na nam ko ho yi. Edi how many weeks. And ti say o ma ne to aso no en free site.
Ehon na ma onabona make say tam your commission facility. This short period nanka MPP me free MPP.
Your commission for January.
Entina me free say MPP betimi ahwe ama
2 days.
Anya 2 days to ya wona mo be commission no na they say maybe on about 2 days na mo be free abamu na a project like Sewua afi ne be commission and
then just less than 24 hours no be free power or commission University of Ghana Medical School hospital or commission
ehon mo na
onim time a
onabo de wo
onim time aban bia etena ending
onabo
onim time aban bia etena ending and the midnight
of 6 December.
No, 6 January.
6 January.
That's all. And we didn't blame him. So commission on the 6th.
And nothing amos mo ya mo dia on the 4th.
And the 1 year by and Yantwazo.
And
1 year by Antwas.
And to most mo ya say.
No, so my doctors no.